If you want to delete everything outside of a selection in Photoshop, the fastest and safest method is to use a layer mask. This is the professional way to do it because it hides the pixels instead of permanently deleting them. That means if you make a mistake, you can always go back and adjust the edges later. So in this video, I'll show you the quickest non-destructive method step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and shortcuts. Let's jump in. First, open your image in Photoshop. The goal here is to keep only the part you want and hide everything else around it. To do that, you need to make a selection around the object or area that you want to keep. You can use whichever selection tool works best for your image. For example, you can use the Lasso tool, Cutout, the quick selection tool, or any other selection tool you prefer. The important thing is that the marching ants should be surrounding the subject you want to keep. Take your time with a selection. If you are selecting a person, a product, or any object with clear edges, the quick selection tool can be a really good starting point. If the shape is more irregular or you want more control, the lasso tool might be better. The better your selection is, the cleaner your final result will look. But don't worry too much about perfection at this stage because the mask can always be refined later. Once your selection is ready, look at the layers panel at the bottom. Here's the key step. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. It looks like a rectangle with a circle in the middle. As soon as you click it, Photoshop will instantly hide everything outside your selection. So instead of permanently erasing those pixels, Photoshop simply masks them out. Now, your subject should appear isolated, with the background removed or hidden. If your layer is still sitting on a white background, it may just be because of how your document is being viewed. To confirm that the outside area is truly hidden, you can place another layer underneath, like a solid color or a different background, and you'll see the cutout clearly. What makes this method so useful is that the deletion is non-destructive. That means if your selection was a little too rough, or if you accidentally included something you didn't want, you can fix it. Just click on the mask thumbnail in the Layers panel, then use a brush tool with black or white to hide or reveal parts of the image. Black hides, white reveals. That gives you complete control over the cutout without starting over. If you ever want to go a step further, you can also refine the mask edge for smoother results. But for most quick editing tasks, this basic method is all you need. Make the selection, click Add Layer Mask, and Photoshop does the rest. So to recap, if you want to delete everything outside of a selection in Photoshop, the best method is to select the object you want to keep and then add a layer mask from the Layers panel. That removes the outside area in a safe, editable way instead of permanently deleting it. It's fast, professional, and perfect for beginners and advanced users alike. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials just like this. And if you want, I can also show you how to delete the background permanently, how to refine selection edges, or how to make perfect cutouts in Photoshop using different tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.